The few were soon many, great multitudes came, drawn by the magnet of love. The brinkman mistook for the banks of a stream, was revealed an ocean's broad shore. Christ's Spirit embraced saints and sinners alike, and his words were sweet music, people's faith did restore.